Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your Hulu account subscription after the free trial. So it's a very easy process, and all you have to do is simply open your preferred web browser, so let's say, for example, Google Chrome. Now, I don't have an active Hulu subscription, so I'll show you using a Netflix subscription, and both of them have the same process. All you have to do is simply go to your profile, then click on Account. In the Account page on your Hulu, just simply go to the Membership section, and right over there, you should be able to see an option called Cancel Membership. Just click on that and then wait a few seconds. Then a page will pop up in front of you. It'll ask you, do you want to cancel your subscription or pause the subscription? All you have to do is simply click on Cancel and completely close the subscription. Now, there is one thing that you should keep in mind. If you are doing this process after the free trial has ended, that means you have to pay for the first month after the free trial. So if you don't want to pay a single dollar, I would suggest you cancel the subscription on the last date of the free trial, or a few days earlier. That way, you don't have to pay a single dollar before canceling your subscription. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to cancel the Hulu subscription. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.